宝贝们，爸爸今天帮你们念这本书，叫做《Danny and the Dinosaur: The Big Sneeze》。跟爸爸念一遍：The Big Sneeze. It was a rainy day, but a fun day. Danny and the dinosaur get drenched. What is drench? It means to make someone or something extremely wet. Very, very, very wet. See you tomorrow, they said to each other. See you, bye. But the next day, Danny woke up with a sore throat and sniffles. What is sore throat? Sore throat means a condition which your throat is red and painful. And what is sniffles? It means take in air through your nose repeatedly in a way others can hear. Sniffles. And the dinosaur had a little cough. You are staying in bed, buddy, said Danny's father. And I am taking care of you, said his mother. But I am not that sick, Mom, said Danny. Better safe than sorry, she said. At the museum, the director told the dinosaur, "You need to take a day off." But I am not that sick, said the dinosaur. Get some rest, said the director. Danny's mom covered him in lots of blankets to keep him warm and cozy. The museum director did his best to make the dinosaur comfortable. Wow, how nice. Danny's mother brought him chicken soup for his sore throat. The director brought the dinosaur some water for his cough. Wow, that's a lot of water. The day seemed longer than forever. There was nothing to do but lie in bed. He can only lie in bed. Danny and the dinosaur felt bored. Danny phoned the dinosaur. Sorry, I can't play today. I am sick in bed. Me too, said the dinosaur. Being sick is not fun. Feel better soon. Danny's mom brought out his old jigsaw puzzle. Wow, that's nice. The director let the dinosaur play with the jigsaw puzzle too. Danny's mom played cards with him to pass the time. Play cards, poker cards. At the museum, the dinosaur tried to play rock, paper, scissors, but the caveman were not formed. The caveman don't know how to play rock, paper, scissors. Danny sneezed. Achoo, achoo, achoo. His mom brought him tissues. But when the dinosaur sneezed, oh no! It will be a very, very big achoo! Everybody ran and hid. At the end of the day, Danny and the dinosaur each curled up in their own beds with a good book and got plenty of rest. The next morning, Danny and the dinosaur woke up feeling much better. They were well enough to go outside. How was your sick day? Danny asked. Not bad, said the dinosaur. But nothing beats feeling better. It means nothing better than feeling better, said the dinosaur. Except maybe spending time with your best buddy, said Danny. The end. Do you remember when last time you feel sick? Tell Daddy how you feel when you are sick. Okay, love you.